Are your AC bills skyrocketing this summer? If you're over 50 and trying to stay cool without draining your wallet, this video is for you. Let's explore 7 smart, affordable ways to slash that electric bill today. Whether you're retired, on a fixed income, or just want to cut costs, small changes can make a big impact. These tips are senior-friendly, easy to try, and some may even surprise you. Tip 1: Close the gaps. Cool air leaks out, money does too. Use weather stripping and draft stoppers to seal doors and windows. It can lower energy loss by up to 30%. Tip 2: Use blackout curtains. Block the sun to block the heat. Install blackout curtains, especially on south or west-facing windows. You'll instantly feel the difference. Tip 3: Set the thermostat smartly. Set your thermostat to 78 degrees when you're home, and even higher when you're not. A smart thermostat can automate this for you and reduce bills by up to 10%. Tip 4: Use ceiling fans the right way. Did you know fans should spin counterclockwise in the summer? This pushes cool air down. It's an easy way to feel cooler without lowering the AC. Tip 5: Avoid using the oven. Cooking with an oven heats up your home. Use a microwave, air fryer, or slow cooker instead. Tip 6: Change your air filter. Dirty filters make your system work harder. Change them every 30 to 60 days to save 5 to 15% on cooling costs. Tip 7: Only cool the rooms. You use close vents in unused rooms, and use portable AC units or fans for the areas you actually use. Bonus tip: Use your utilities senior discount programs. Check if your utility company offers senior or low-income energy assistance programs. Some offer bill credits or free home energy audits. Which tip will you try first? Leave a comment and share your AC saving hack with our community. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips just for seniors.